Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use a Vanilla Visa gift card on Amazon. To start, make sure you have your Vanilla Visa gift card ready. If you just bought it, check the back of the card for a website where you can register a zip code. This step is important because Amazon requires a billing address when you add a new payment method. Go to the website, enter the card details, and register a zip code. Once that's done, you're ready to add the card to your Amazon account. Now, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and log in. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open a list of options. From here, select your account. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down to the Payments section and tap Manage Payment Options. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Add Payment Method. This will open a form where you can enter your Vanilla Visa gift card details. Start by entering the name you want to use for the card. It doesn't have to be your real name as Amazon doesn't verify it. Next, enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of the card. Make sure to use the same zip code you registered earlier. After entering all the details, tap Add Your Card. You'll then be prompted to select or confirm a billing address. Make sure the address matches the zip code you registered with the card. Once you've confirmed the address, your Vanilla Visa gift card will be added to your Amazon account as a payment method. If you want to use the card to make a purchase, you can select it at checkout. However, keep in mind that Amazon doesn't allow split payments for purchases. This means you can't use two gift cards or a gift card along with another payment method for a single order. If the balance on your Vanilla Visa gift card isn't enough to cover your purchase, here's a workaround. Use the gift card to buy an Amazon gift card for the exact balance of your Vanilla Visa gift card. Redeem the Amazon gift card to your account, and the balance will be stored in your Amazon account for future purchases. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.